Let's do another program. That number is question number 5, guys. Okay, so that is write a comprehension. Write a comprehension to fetch all experiences which are above 2 years, guys. Which are about 2 years. Okay, write a comprehension to fetch all experiences which are about 2 years. Like previous one, all ages which are about 30s, right? Now all experience which are about 2 years means like about 2 means here 3 is there. Okay, here 3 is there, here 4 is there, 4 7 like that, right? Let us try again. Same for loop for I in what here, for I in employees, for I in employees. Okay, so first time I value what here, first time I value emp1. That emp1 to take the experience and check it now whether it is about 2 years or not. If it is about 2 years means to take into the new list. Okay, so if employees of I of what here, I of experience, which is if it is about 2 years, if it is about 2 years means condition is true. If condition is true, then that experience we should take into the one list, guys. So that experience I am taking to the list. Then that list I am going to print here, guys. That list we will print here. Now run this one. You can observe. So 3 4 4 7. These are the experiences which are more than 2 years, right? 2 years. Okay, now let's see how it executes, guys. Let's see now. Same first for loop executes, and then if condition, once condition is true, then it executes what an expression, guys, an expression. So 3 parts are there. So first time my value from employee, first time my value is emp1, guys. First key will come, emp1 is coming. The same emp1 is going to condition, now. So employees of emp1 experience, guys, employees of emp1 of experience means employees of emp1 then experience. What experience here? Experience of 3 years, guys. Okay, now here the condition is true. Why true? Because first time 3 is coming, 3 is greater than 2, right? Greater than 2, that's why the condition is true. So then that I value going to expression. Now here what is there? Employees of I means what? emp1 experience. How much? 3, right? So then that 3 will return to the result, guys. So then what is the answer now? The result is 3 here in the first iteration power. Now again second time I value is what? I value is the emp2, guys. So first time emp1 over. Now this time is what? emp2, guys. That emp2 again going to where? If condition. That emp2 going to if condition. Now employees of emp2 experience, how much is there? 2 is there, right? So 2. So 2 is coming as a result here. 2 greater than 2, guys. So 2 greater than 2, true or false? It is false. If it is false means then no expression, guys. If it's false means no expression. Sorry, it is false, right? Okay, so it is false means what here? No expression. Then that I value will skip. What is that I value here? That I value is the emp2 that is skipping, guys. Next time what is I value? Next time employee 3 is the I value, right? Employee 3 is the I value. So employee 3 is coming. Employee 3 is coming like this. Then that is going to where again? Same, guys. If condition, going to if condition. So employees of emp3 experience, how much? 4, right? That is 4, guys. Now so 4 greater than 2. So true or false? It is true. True means then going to expression. Then employees of emp3 experience, how much? That is 4. So that 4 also return to the result here. So it is the 4. It is 4 like this. Now employee 1, employee 2, employee 3 over. Next employee 4, guys. I value is what? Employee 4. It's also going to if condition, then employee 4 experience. How much experience here? 4. So again 4 is coming now. So 4 greater than 2. So true or false? It is true. Again true means that is going to where? Going to expression, and employees of EMP4 experience. How much? Again 4 guys. So again 4 is coming, right? Next one, I value is EMP5. That EMP5 going to where? If condition, employees of EMP5 experience. How much experience? 7, right? 7. Now, so the 7 greater than 2. 7 greater than 2. So true or false? True. If it is true, then going to expression, employees of EMP5 experience guys. How much experience here? 7, right? So 7 coming here. So much here? The 7 coming guys, like this. And the last one, what's the I value here? Employee 6. The same I going to be again if condition, employees of employee 6 experience. How much? That is 1. 1 is there. So here 1 greater than 2. So true or false? It is false. It is false. If it is false means no expression, directly that I value will skip guys. Okay, that means which one? No, employee 6 also skipping. Now this comprehension over, and the beginning ending what is taken here? Square brackets. Why? To get the result in the list format. That's why we take the square brackets here, or take the square brackets here to get the output in the list format. And then finally what is there? Print is there. That means finally this result, this output list will be printed to the user guys. Okay, so I hope guys you understand this example, and please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House, and follow us in Instagram Python Narayana. Thanks so much guys.